condemn the act, crime. I call it a crime. Ang law, Butano thief, show kindness. It speaks a lot about yourself. Hi for parents. This is your friendly neighborhood vet, Doc Arman.
Hi Doc, good morning. Mungutan na lang ko kung sa imo ang mastorya sa katong viral post gani Doc. Nga katong nairo nga gi-shot 5 times with dark arrows.
First and foremost, I really condemn the act or whoever that person who committed the crime. I call it a crime because we already have a law. It's the Republic Act 8485, which is we should promote and protect the animal welfare here in our country. And hopefully madakpan no, makita ng culprit. Well, my thoughts lang sa aning law in general, kasi it's not just the only animal cruelty na akong nakita sa social media or na-report sa social media. In general na lang, I think dili kayo stricto ang ato ang sanctions sa pag-violate sa RA 8485 kay I mean we're talking about lives here. Animals also have lives, so if you hurt animals, if you even kill legally or unlawfully animals, then that's a crime. Ang nakano lang is dili kibugat ang sanctions, like if the person is found guilty of committing or violating RA 485, ma-praise mo siya 6 months or not more than 2 years, and then ang fine is according sa law kay 1,000 pesos or less. But either way, dili siya strict, so it won't really hold. So you would really expect violate the Animal Welfare Act. So hopefully kung thoughts lang no, we'll put stricter mga sanctions and implement it really fully sa law, ang law Butano thief, para magduha-duha ang mga tao to, you know, to hurt animals, because they too have feelings, and the sad part is they could not let you know, or they cannot speak. So law, if you look at that picture alone, it speaks a lot of things. Like, number one, we are cruel to animals, we disregard their rights. Second is, animal is obviously asking for help, and I don't think nakuha niya ang help right there and then. Thirdly, hinay ang dagan sa investigation. Okay, I'm not sure until now na naabay nakitaan na or suspect. Okay, I think they're raising the reward already.
Yes, 65,000.
Last post, yeah, around 60,000 plus na rewards. Hopefully madakpan na kita culprit. My message to everyone who's watching this mini vlog is we have to be kind to animals, whether they are our own pets or whether they are strays. Just show kindness. It speaks a lot about yourself. That's it. Thank you.